Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to create a validation rule for required field and it will be on the account object. For that I'll go to setup and here we have object manager. To access our objects we go to object manager. The tab is also available here, and from the quick find also you can find your object manager here. So we are going to create our validation rule on the account object. So on the left hand side you will be seeing your validation rules. This is the validation rule which I already created, and the video is also available on this channel. I'll leave the link in the description so you can check this out also. Then on Salesforce, one object per object can have around 100 validation rules in developer org, and for different editions it varies, and for unlimited it is 500, but for our developer org which we are using, which I am using, it is 100 validation rules for per object. So now we are going to create a new validation rule for checking the required field for the account. Click on new, and before creating my validation rule I will tell you that what our validation rule will do. So this rule will ensure that the account number field is always populated. If the field is left blank when creating or updating an account record, an error message is displayed prompting the user to enter a value. Okay, so for that I'll just write the name, validation rule name, account number validation rule, and it will be active because we are going to use it. And in the description I will write, this rule ensures that the account number field is always populated. Okay, and here we are going to enter our formula. So for this we are going to use isBlank function. From here we can access the functions, and we are going to use isBlank function. Why we are going to use isBlank function? Because this function is used to check whether a specific field or expression is empty or null, and this is what we need right now for our account number field. And isBlank will return true if the field or expression is blank, and false if it contains any value. So from here we can select isBlank, here is this, and insert selected function. This is the syntax, isBlank and expression, and inside the expression we will enter our field for which we want to check. So our field is account number, insert, and we'll check the syntax. Once we check the syntax and we find no errors, there are no errors, for no errors, then what we can do is we will write our error message which will be shown to the user on the UI. Account number cannot be null. So this is the error location, whether it should be visible on top of the page or below the field. I have chosen top of the page. Then I'll save it. Once we save it, it is activated also, so we can just check it. I'll refresh my org, go to the account, and I'll try to create a new record on the account object. The name is account number check. Quite a big name for an account. If I'll try to save it, then we'll have two validation rules. Okay, so there are two validation rules on the account object itself. One is account number cannot be blank and invalid IP address. So we'll enter our IP address first. Where is the field for IP address? We'll enter 255 255 5 255. Then for our, we'll just try to save it. Okay, now we are getting only one validation rule, which is account number cannot be null, and account number cannot be null. We'll have 4 5 6 7 8, whatever. Just try to save it and the account will get saved. So that was all for the video, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, then you can like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you. Bye bye.